Hi, everybody. I'm Connie Stewart with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. We've got a little throwback video for you today. I'm actually recovering from shoulder surgery, and it's a little hard to stamp with just one hand. So this week, I want to share a couple of really fun videos with you. I hope you find some great inspiration from what I have to share. So are you ready to get started with the throwback? Let's see what we've got today.
A couple Christmas cards created with the Christmas gleaming stamp set. This one's been uber popular. One, I think because of the unique colors and just the copper metallics that are tied in. We're going to be using some Night of Navy and Mossy Meadow to create a now card, but if you got a little extra time, why not make it a wow card? Are you ready to get started? All right, let's head over to my stamping table and get to creating. All right, let's go over the cardstock we need for our now card. We're going to begin with a Night of Navy cardstock that's cut 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4.25 inches. I have two pieces of very vanilla cardstock. The first piece is for the outside of my card, the front of my card. That is cut 3.5 by 4.75. The other piece of very vanilla goes on the inside of my card, 4 inches by 5.25. My accent color is Mossy Meadow, and I have this cut at 3.75 by 5 inch. You're also going to need a small bow created with the Sahara Sand Night of Navy Baker's Twine. This is going to make my card look super cute. Every card needs a little bow, a little embellishment, and this one looks great with these colors. The star of the show today is the Christmas Gleaming Stamp Set. Guys, such an elegant set. I love this one. I'll be using 2 ink pads today, Night of Navy and Mossy Meadow. All right, so for our stamping, we are going to start with our Night of Navy. I'm going to bring in the very vanilla cardstock. This is the smaller one, the 3.5 inch, and I've got that large Christmas ornament. Let's stamp that here on the left-hand side. And now we'll take the smaller ornament and we'll stamp that just right next to it, kind of down here at the bottom. All right, I am going to do something kind of different. I'm going to take a sponge dauber. Now, I want to ink this up in my Night of Navy ink, but before I do anything, let me show you. Look how dark that is. Way too dark for this card. I'm going to remove a lot of this ink because I need it to be very, very light. And I'm going to sponge on each of these ornaments. The trick is a light touch, okay? You can always put more ink on, but you can't take it away. So I'm going to lightly swirl the ink on. I'm going to go outside of the ornament. Again, it's very therapeutic to do this sponging too, because it's just so soft and just kind of gives this nice little halo. So you can see just kind of going around just like that. Let's repeat that with this larger ornament, but you notice I didn't re-ink again. Nope, there really wasn't a need to. Just keep it nice and light, just like before. I'm going to go off the ornament just to give it that nice halo effect. As I said, less is more. We can add more if we need, but we sure can't take it away. Isn't that pretty? Very nice and soft. Now we're going to come in with our Mossy Meadow. Don't put this away yet. We'll be using that Night of Navy one more time, but let me bring in my Mossy Meadow and my 2 sentiments. So I'm going to start with Deck the Halls with Boughs of Holly, and that can go in Mossy Meadow, kind of right in between, and Be Jolly This Season. And let's stamp that just right here off to the right of my first sentiment. Come back in with my Night of Navy for just a minute. There are some great little speckles. And we're going to just give this a little quick fill. So let's put some speckles here, some down here, and right here by this ornament. I love the speckle. I mean, isn't that just, it just really just kind of polishes off the card. Okay, now I do want to come in now with my remaining piece of Very Vanilla because I want to do the stamping for the inside of my card. So we'll start with Mossy Meadow. I'm going to put it onto the other side. Do you ever worry you're going to stamp in the wrong color? Yeah, I do this. Okay, Mossy Meadow, and I'm going to ink up my holly and my leaves. And I want to put that down here in the bottom left corner. I'm now going to close up that Mossy Meadow because I'm officially done with it. And now I'll come back in with Night of Navy and look at this great little accent. Just a nice little border. I'm going to stamp it right here on the side. And so basically on each side of that holly leaf. All right, my stamping's done. I told you it is a now card. So you can see I just adhered my focal image onto the mossy meadow and then onto my card front. And then right here, you can see where I added my inside to my card right here. Plenty of room to write my message. Now we just polished it off with a piece of the Sahara Sand and Night of Navy baker's twine. You just take a mini glue dot, press your bow right there onto that mini glue dot, and you can see I simply added it to the card. Super, super fast. Love a now card. Are you ready to step it up and see a wow card? Okay, let's do our wow card. All right, my measurements are all exactly the same as my now card. So I'm not going to go over those again. Hopefully you caught those at the beginning of the video. I've got a little addition to my wow card, and we're going to bring in the brightly gleaming specialty designer paper. Now guys, this is only 4 of the sheets, but I want you to notice the great copper metallic that's in this paper. There's several different patterns. You pick your favorite. And then for this card, we are going to use the bundle. So we'll be using those matching punches that go with it. I'm going to share with you a fun sponging technique for my wow card. I have a piece of scrap cardstock. Now, the size of the cardstock does not matter. Mine's cut a little bit bigger, so this must be 3 3/4 by 5 inch, but just a little bit bigger than my cardstock. And I took the largest oval die from the Layering Ovals, and I just die cut that from the center of that scrap cardstock. And I think you can see I have used this little mask, if you will. I've used it before. I'll keep using it until I destroy it. All right, so to do this masking technique, I've got my Night of Navy ink pad, and then I'm going to use that same sponge dauber again. But you remember what happened. Just like we did before, when I ink it up, it's too dark. So I want to get a lot of that ink off so that I have a very light version of Night of Navy on that sponge dauber. All right, let's take our very vanilla, and I'm just going to center it up there in that cardstock. I'm now going to hold it in place because I don't want it to shift around. And I'm just going to start to sponge. And you notice I'm going to stick to the outside first, and I'm hitting the edge of the mask, and I'm just going to keep sponging. Now I'm going to come into the center. Light touch, remember, just like before, the lighter the touch, the better off, because we can always make it darker if we need to. Keep sponging until you get the look you're going for. And then for the magic, voila, look at that. We've got a beautiful, very lovely background. I'm now going to come in with my Night of Navy ink pad, and we're going to add our sentiments just like we did on the first card. So we'll start with the Deck the Halls. And I'm not going to go quite in the center. I'm going to go about 2/3 of the way over. So let's stamp that about right here. And just like we did before, the "And Be Jolly this season," let's add that right off to the side. For the inside of the card, you're going to stamp it the exact same way that we did for our Now card. So I've got that all pre-stamped. Oops, I almost forgot my speckles. I love me some speckles. Let's add those just around our sentiment. Now we're going to come in with some ornaments. Are you ready? The paper you choose for this is entirely up to you. All right, but I really liked using this gold metallic. And can you see the pattern? You can really line that up really nicely in your punch. There's one ornament. Now, I really like this paper on the other side. So I will get some of those stripes and I'll punch the little smaller ornament. And for my last one, I'll punch a small one here. And you know what? This is another pattern that was just really nice. You can get that little star right there in the center. We are going to adhere the largest ornament about right there. Now let's take this striped one. Oh, I always hate putting my adhesive all over beautiful, those metallic pattern that's on the other side. It just kills me. Okay, we're going to add that one here. This one we're going to add with some Stampin' Dimensionals, because you guys know I love a card with a little dimension. Just a couple should do good. And we can add that one right there. Okay, let's come in with our cardstock to put our card together. We'll add that to our Night of Navy, or to our Mossy Meadow, and then to our Night of Navy. And now our sentiment to the inside. So we have a beautiful area to write our Merry Christmas message, bringing in our baker's twine bow. And how about one more splash of my little speckles? And there you go. If you have just a few minutes to create some great Christmas cards, the Now card should be right up your alley. But if you're ready to step it up, you want to add that little extra touch of that glimmer. I think the adding the brightly gleaming Specialty Designer Series paper and those punches are going to make your card a little extra special.
Thank you again so much for joining me for the throwback video. Remember, you can find more information about this video or order any of the supplies that I used in the video over at simplysimplestamping.com, and I look forward to seeing you there. Have a fabulous day, my friends. Looking forward to stamping with you again soon. Bye-bye.